Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create a beautiful low maintenance rock bed in your yard. Rock beds are a great way to add interest and texture to your landscape, and they are also very easy to care for. The materials you will need for this project are rock of various size and shapes, soil, mulch, a shovel, a rack, a level, a hose. Instructions: choose a location for your rock bed. It should be in a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Remove any vegetation from the area where you will be placing your rock bed. Level the ground with a shovel. Add a layers of soil to the area. The thickness of the soil layer will depend on the type of plants you will be growing in your rock bed. Place the rocks in your rock bed. You can arrange them in any pattern you like. Add a layer of mulch around the rocks. This will help to suppress weeds and keep the soil moist. Water your rock bed thoroughly. When choosing rocks for your bed, select a variety of sizes and shapes. This will create a more interesting and visually appealing look. If you are planting in your rock bed, choose plants that are native to your area. These plants will be better suited to the climate and will require less maintenance. Mulch helps to suppress weeds and keep the soil moist. It's an important part of any rock bed. Water your bed regularly, especially during the first few months after planting. Creating a rock bed is a great way to add interest and beauty to your yard. It's also a very low maintenance project. With a little planning and effect, you can create a rock bed that will be enjoyed for years to come. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.